The fifth sort of an adverb is a preposition. The third sort of the adverb is a to infinitive. The to infinitive is the definition to reveal the purpose of the subject to be actualized later than the point in time when the subject exists. The other preposition mediate the subject and the object at the same time when the verb of the clause describes the subject of the verb. There is a clause. I am always in awe. The adverb of frequency always describes the definition of the preposition in. The subject of the preposition I and the object of the preposition all are mediated by the definition of the preposition in, with the specification from the adverb always. The mediation by the preposition in is specified. So we can consider this clause is the answer from this question. Does the speaker in the object all during the period to include the point at the present, the speaker as the subject of the preposition in is in the relationship with the object all very frequently. The be verb am describes that the definition of the subject exists during a period to include the point, the present. The speaker applies the adverb of frequency always to reveal the perspective on the times that the preposition in mediates the speaker as the subject and the object all. The definition of the preposition in is specified by the adverb of frequency always because the preposition in mediates the speaker as the subject and the object all every time the speaker exists. The adverb of frequency always directly specifies the definition of the preposition in because the preposition in does not form a consecutive unit of definitions with the be verb. Unlike the preposition to in the to infinitive to form a consecutive unit of definitions with the verb. Let's study about a preposition that forms a consecutive unit with the verb in a clause. We will study about an adverb of frequency to describe a verb in a consecutive unit of definitions with the preposition. There is a clause. I always attach this on a wall. The adverb of frequency always describes the definition of the transitive verb attach because the transitive verb attach and the preposition on form a consecutive unit of definitions. So the adverb of frequency always describes the definition of the preposition on indirectly via the definition of the transitive verb attach. Every time the speaker actualizes the action indicated by the transitive verb attach, the object of the transitive verb this is mediated by the object of the preposition of. So the transitive verb attach and the preposition on are in a consecutive unit of definitions. The adverb of frequency always specifies the transitive verb and the preposition on at once. The adverb of frequency always specifies the definition of the transitive verb attach because the preposition on and the transitive verb attach form a consecutive unit of definitions. Thank you for watching.